Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of white screen. On the application of Flow, you will go to settings. Here in this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will search about Flow and you will click. Then here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.